Do you know that people in Kenya, in Nigeria, and some other parts of Africa, as well as Asia, they make between $100 to $400 monthly just doing this? Truth is, not everyone has the money to afford a laptop right now.
Continue.
If you have a mobile phone, you can begin earning online today. I want to share with you 3 things you can do with your mobile device to begin earning online from today. You have to stay to the end because the third thing is so amazing. While you are sleeping, it can earn you dollars. Now, many of us have been using our mobile devices for Instagram, for Facebook, for TikTok, just name it. If you're already doing this, you are doing what you can earn with. The first thing you can earn with is being a social media manager. So if you're already uploading content online, you're already engaging people with your mobile device, you are doing the work of a social media manager, only that you are not being paid for it. But as a social media manager, if you do this, you are able to help busy individuals, businesses manage their social media handle. It's simple. You create the content using Canva or any tool, you schedule with Meta Business Suite, and you maintain engagement. Your focus here is to ensure that the people that visit this page or this handle, who interact with this handle, they are satisfied. You are able to answer their question. You are able to keep them engaged. You are able to keep them entertained or educated, depending on the social media handle you are managing.
Continue.
So if you already have a Facebook page, have a TikTok page, and you create content, you are maintaining engagement, you are interacting with people, responding to comments, you are doing the work of a social media manager. Do you know that people in Kenya, in Nigeria, and some other parts of Africa, as well as Asia, they make between $100 to $400 monthly just doing this? They are businesses, small businesses that are looking for social media handlers. So what do you need to do? You have this skill already. Perhaps you need to watch 1 or 2 more videos to learn how to do it better. You meet small businesses in your areas. They can be restaurants, lounge, club, whatever they are, that have weak social media presence or that can benefit from a robust social media management. Suggest this, give them a proposal. I can manage your social media. I can give you this percentage of customers by good social media engagement every month. And you discuss price. You can do that with your mobile phone. You just have to dedicate some of the time you are putting on TikTok right now, Instagram, that's not paying you anything to this. Do it very well, and you can start earning as a social media manager from today. What if you are not that social media type of person? What if you are that person that like to do your things behind the scene? Now let me tell you a secret. This is the number 2 thing you need to do. But before I tell you, let me tell you one key secret that this job rests upon. Every business that sells online needs people to interact with their customers.
Continue.
They need people to answer inquiries, complaints, questions, and ensure that the customers that are interacting with them online are satisfied. Now let me ask you a question. Have you gotten something from Jumia before or Amazon? And somewhere along the line, it's as if what you ordered is not exactly what you got, or there was a problem with the product that was delivered. What do? You go to that same page and you send a message. It may be an email whatsoever. You look for a way to interact with the brand. What do? Someone will respond you via email. They will ask you, tell you where to drop the package for it to be picked up. And throughout the process of trying to get what you want, some persons are interacting with you. Those are customer support staff. You can do that work as a customer support agent with your mobile phone. All you have to do is to respond to the inquiries, the complaints of customers. Ensure that they are satisfied. Because really in business, when you keep your customers satisfied, they will keep patronizing that business. That patronage is what brings money to the brand. So as a customer support staff, you are a crucial part of the business, ensuring customer retention, greater sale, and greater profit. That is why people who do this work as customer support staff, they earn between $500 to $1,200 every month. And you have many persons in Asia and different parts of the world who are acting as customer support agents. The beautiful thing about this is that online businesses do not sleep. So you may have different shifts. You may be doing 6 to 4 p.m. Another person takes it from there to somewhere around 10 o'clock at night. Another person takes it around the clock throughout the night, because countries are in different time zones. So They need people to be working around the clock so that orders can be going out, customers can be attended to, there is no delay. So if you can speak with clarity, if you have empathy, you are that person that can listen to chaos and calm people down and be able to solve their problem, putting a smile on their face, you can do this. This is beyond social media management now. You are now managing customers for brand, and that is why the pay is higher. There are tools like AppDesk, Zendesk, and many other tools you can use. You can add the mobile version and you can do this on your phone. By the way, I need you to tell me in the comment section if you want me to do a full course on customer support service. I have done the full course on virtual assistant and I see many of you have watched it. You are so excited. But if you are leaning towards customer support service and you want me to do a full course, a 2-3 hours course to educate you on the tricky how to use the tool, let me know in the comment section. I will do it for you. Anything to make you get up and get rich, I will do it for you. Now, number 3. I know you've been waiting for this. If you want something a bit techy or creative, you are not the social media management person or the customer support person in the shadow chatting with people. You need something a bit exciting, something a bit spicy. This is for you. You can be a content creator. No, calm down. Don't be afraid. Most times when we talk about content creator, your mind goes to influencer. You say, how can I be like Sabinus, Mark AJ, Ray Jota, Macaroni, these big influencers? No, you can be involved in the microservices in content creation. You can do video editing, captions. You can just name it. Those little services, you know how to use CapCut to create amazing content. You can even be using AI to create faceless video. You either add your channel where you share this video to either entertain or educate people, or you create for people. That means big content creators, brands, businesses contract you as a video editor or to do amazing captions for their videos, and they pay you per video. Some people charge from $40 to $100 per video when they offer this microservice. But if you're able to create it, you own your social media page, either on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, and you are able to create videos that are engaging, that are educating, that are entertaining. After a while, people start gravitating to your page. As you keep having traction, the platform has opportunity to advertise to people coming to your page, and part of that advertisement money comes to you. That is why you can be sleeping and earning in dollars, because at the end of the month, when everything is gathered together and your share of this ads money comes, my man, babe, don't play. You will be amazed what is coming to you every month. You see, some places are actually very funny, very creative, but they are just wasting away. But if you take this to TikTok, you can earn from it. I've seen people who just created a TikTok account. Because of their creativity, they came up with something. Within a month, they had over 1 million followers. And what happened? They start earning immediately. The only tool you need is your mobile phone and some software within the phone like CapCut, Canva, and your creativity. Your tool, your mobile, the skill, creativity, and your ability to use some software, and you can start earning. Now tell me, you have your mobile phone, you have data, and I believe you are creative. What is stopping you from earning with your mobile phone? I want to know in the comment section, really, which of these 3 things are you already earning from as of today? The second question, which of these 3 are you interested to earn from? If this video has helped you, don't leave until you have subscribed to this channel, until you have given me a thumbs up for this video and shared this with someone. I hope to see you around again very soon. But just before then, let me tell you something. In my next video, I want to share with you how to get your first client online. Is that something you're interested in? Let me know in the comment section and look around. You'll see it soon. Thank you.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.